Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating an 8-track radio out of a '66 Mustang. This comes from Mike in Longview, Washington. Mike has requested the modern FM conversion with the Bluetooth and the USB feature, and so we're here to make sure everything works before you send her back. I'm going to turn it on to AM radio to the one strong AM station I get in my area.
And the government controls vehicles you can't transport.
And while we're on talk radio, we're going to demonstrate the balance and fader functions.
Yep, I hear you.
Okay.
I hear you.
Just the balance control.
I appreciate
all the
your
way
call.
left.
I just
all the way right.
like to remind everybody, please
left.
do talk to me about
right.
what you said you would talk to me about. He was talking about that.
And we also now have a front-rear fader that's in the tone control. It's called the virtual fader. And to activate the fader, we're going to turn our tone to about the center position. Then we're going to rotate it twice to the right, returning it to the starting point each time. So let's see if we can activate that front-rear fader.
Yep. Joni important.
Fader adjust.
Okay. So now the same control is adjusting our front-rear balance all the way front. All the way rear, say something quickly.
There are factors here that people don't like to talk about that I think are more...
Fader set.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so we know the Bluetooth is working. Let's make sure it plays music stored on a USB stick. My radio commercial should be right here.
And homogeneous.
Classic ride, got a Mustang, but it's a '69, but she ain't sounding so fine.
Okay, pull the stick and the radio comes back. Okay, let's go to FM, which we do by turning the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM. Let's just run down the dial. Make sure we pick up some FM stations.
98.
For the latest movie...
It's sunny here in downtown Prescott.
Okay, that's quite a few FM stations. Okay, let's try the 8-track. We got to turn the unit way down before we put a tape in because I've got the 8-track set, the 8-track output set pretty hot.
If you're feeling, if you're going here, I will know what you're doing to me. If your chick's flown and that girl, time I see you smile, go on out or call her that girl again.
Alrighty. Pull the tape out and the radio comes back. Okay, you may not be able to see the dial light. I do know it works, but let's see if you can just see it turning on and off. Yeah, you can just barely see it under my hand flashing on and off. Nice little soft green glow there. So she's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to probably lunch. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And if you download and print a work order, then you won't need to tie me up on the phone for 15 minutes asking me about my prices, options, and turn times, because that's all in the work order. So please do have a work order printed and in your hand before calling me with questions. Chances are you probably won't need to call me after you read the work order, unless you just want to talk for a couple minutes just to get to know me and trust me and stuff like that. That's perfectly fine. So thanks so much for watching, listening. Thank you, Mike, for your business from Longview, Washington, and we'll see you all next time.